going on, guys? EK3 Mike here at Harbor Freight. Picking up my toolbox. It's nothing fancy, but when you see what I have now, you'll realize why I had to upgrade. But check it out. So now for a little unboxing. All right, got your keys, well packaged. Let's hope none of this is damaged. I really doubt it. Ooh, this all looks super well packed. Let's see. So it looks like you could put your handles here. Let's see if they have them on the other side as well. Yep. Either side, just remember your casters, the swiveling wheels are gonna go on whatever side you put the handle on, so you could steer it. But I believe the casters should be in one of those drawers, so I'm gonna check it out. And yep, here you go. You got the handle and the wheels in the box right there. Cool. Let's see what we got in here. Yeah, all the liners. Not bad. It doesn't have the soft close, so you actually have to push it in all the way. But you know, when you're buying this stuff, you're not expecting super high quality. You know, I mean, it's great quality for the price, but don't expect too much. You know, I mean, I'm super happy with it. Let me show you what I started with. This little rinky-dink stuff, which is unorganized, falling apart, stuff in the wrong places. It's just a disaster. So, yeah. And I'm not putting this on that. All right, so casters are on. I ended up just kind of laying it down on this stuff here on its back so I could put the wheels on. The ones that swivel obviously go here with the handle. And yeah, wasn't too bad. I believe it was just 12 millimeter you needed. I was able to get in there with a ratchet, as well as a drill with the, you know, socket on it. So it came out really good. They say these drawers hold 100 pounds, and I think the lower ones, so these could all hold 100, which is more than enough. And then these big ones hold 200, if I'm not mistaken. So definitely more than enough for me. Like I said, I'm coming from this. I'm gonna remove these two. It actually fits right in there, 46 inches. I measured it. So yeah, I mean, maybe I'll outgrow this one day as well, but for now, it's gonna be good. So here it is. A couple days later, got it in place. Really happy with it. Holds a lot of tools. It doesn't have the soft close, but it's not really a big deal. A lot of storage space here. You gotta, you know, push it all the way in and make sure it's in there good, and then you can lock it up. But really good space. I'll give you guys a close up of the drawers. there it is, guys. Harbor Freight, Yukon. I'm happy with it. Let me know what you think in the comments.